Today, the topic is organic farming produce nutrient-dense food. So, my name is Dr. P.C. Patel, retired research scientist on the Agriculture University and guest faculty professor, Patel University, Vadodara. Organic farming system. Organic farming is a system of agriculture production based on the use of natural processes and resources. No chemical fertilizer or pesticide has been used, or genetically modified organisms are used in order to obtain healthier and more nutritious food while protecting soil fertility, preventing the spread of pests, and respecting the environment. Organic farming is an agriculture system that uses ecologically based pest control and biological fertilizer derived largely from the animal waste and nitrogen fixing our crops. So, organic farming system place emphasis on techniques such as crop rotation and companion planting to maintain soil fertility and till to supply plant nutrient and to control insect, weeds, and other pests. The ecological benefit of organic farming are counterbalanced by higher food cost and generally low yields. However, the system is gaining popularity due to its potential to reduce the environmental impact of agriculture, improve soil health, and produce healthier food. So in organic farming, we are getting the maintain the soil health and we are getting the healthy food. So here in figure 1, you can see that 27.70 lakh hectares covered under organic farming in India. So people are more emphasis on organic farming because you know that in conventional farming, the pesticide residues are on the fruits and vegetables, and the human being have the health problems. Indian state of Goa to pay farmer to go 100% organic. Then the main principle and effect of organic farming. So previously we have seen that no GMO seed use, no synthetic fertilizers. We have to use only organic fertilizers. Then no agrochemicals, but we have to follow the crop rotation. So here we can reduce the soil losses and increase soil organic matter due to organic farming, improve soil water holding capacity as we are adding organic matter in the soil. Then lower water consumption because when we are add the organic matter and it improve the water holding capacity of this soil. So in this system, we have to use local resources. The major of organic farming, major component of organic farming, so crop rotation, then maintenance and enhancement soil fertility, non-chemical will control measures. These include physical removal of weeds, mulching and use of cover crops, biological pest and disease management. This involves the use of natural predators, parasites, and pathogens to control pest and disease. So organic has several ecological benefits such as promoting biodiversity and enhancing agro ecosystem health. Organic farming produces nutrient-dense food. So it is very, very important that organic farming produces nutrient-dense foods. Organic farming is a method of farming that emphasizes the use of natural fertilizer and biological pest control instead of synthetic fertilizer and pesticides as we are using in conventional farming. According to a study published by the Organic Center, healthy soil produce more nutrient-dense food. The study found that crop grown in healthy, fertile soil have higher levels of micronutrients and phytochemicals beneficial to human health. The study also found that pasture-grazed livestock produce meat and dairy products with more phytochemical and a healthier balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fat than found in feedlot-fed animals. So another study published in Frontier of Sustainable Food System found that grass-fed animals produce meat and milk with high level of phytonutrients, which have potential to improve the health of animals and humans. While there is some evidence suggesting that organic food have health benefits such as higher oxygen content that help protect cell from damage. The evidence is not conclusive. So nutrient-dense foods, you can see here, the top nutrient-dense food and why you need them daily. So to remain healthy, we should have to take nutrient-dense food which contains essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, protein, fiber, and essential fatty acid per calorie. These foods are considered to be the more beneficial for our health than those that are calorie-dense food, nutrient poor. Nutrient density is calculated by dividing the amount of nutrient in a food by the number of calories it contains. So here you can see that the 15 most nutrient-dense food on earth, health and for wellness. So you can see that 15 nutrient-dense foods. So the examples are berries, orange, nuts, and seed like almond and china seed, and whole grains like quinoa and brown rice. It is important to note that nutrient density is not the same as energy density. Then benefit of nutrient dense diet. So nutrient diet is one that is rich in vitamin, mineral, and other nutrients that are essential for food for good health. Such a diet is typically low in calorie and high in fiber, which can help you maintain a healthy weight and reduce your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. So it is a chronic disease. So there is less chances of the chronic disease when you are taking the nutrient-dense diet from the organic farming. Nutrient-dense foods include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, nuts, and seeds. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that are essential for good health. They are also tend to be low in calorie and high in fiber. So they are low in calorie but high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied while also reducing your risk of chronic disease. So we have to mention the heart disease, diabetes, and cancer disease is a chronic disease. Then benefit of nutrient-dense diet. So incorporating nutrient-dense food in your diet can have many benefits. For example, it can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce your risk of chronic disease such as heart disease and diabetes, improve your mood and cognitive function, and boost your energy levels. Additionally, nutrient-dense food tend to be more filling than processed food or food that are high in sugar or fat. This means that you may be able to eat less while still feeling satisfied. There are now people of the world conscious for nutrient-dense foods. So the people are taking this salmon, then sardines, then garlic, then seaweed. So how do you measure the nutrient-dense food? To measure nutrient density, you can compare the number of amount of nutrient in food with the number of calorie content. A nutrient-dense food will be high in healthy nutrient for your body and relatively low in calories. So you have to remember that nutrient-dense foods are always are in low in calorie, but they are healthy for your body. So it contains the nutrient-dense food will be high in healthy nutrient but for your body and relatively low calories. One way to determine nutrient density is to read the nutrition label on food you purchase. So we have to read the label where the nutrition label has been given. The nutrition label will give you plenty of useful information about the nutrients and calories that you are putting into your body. So it can be found on the label. You will want to look most closely at the number of calories per serving providing at the top of the nutrition label and the nutrient that the food provided. Other method is to consult online nutrient density scale. There are various websites which have compiled information related to nutrient dense food sources. These sites are the run of nutritious who have access to specific food related to nutrient data that typically consumers may find hard to come by. One of the more common measures of measuring nutrient density is Dr. Joel Hormones, nutrient density scale, which divides the nutrient in a food by its calorie and produces a value from 1 to 1000, indicating low to high nutrient density. On the aggregate nutrient density index A and DI. A and DI means aggregate nutrient density index. So here you can see that crop nutrient advisor mobile app nutrient technology. So you can see that things. Then Israel Tech developed app to monitor in real-time freshness. So we can know whether it is a freshness or not. Then variable and mobile sensor for personalized nutrition ACS sensor. So you can know the potassium level, glucose level, and vitamin C also. So if you are liking my YouTube, then please subscribe to my channel. So my channel link is at the rate of Patel PC12 _ soil health, and it is my website. So thank you for listening silently. So if you have any problem relating to nutrient dense food, then please tell me. Thank you.